Now it's time to flip the bacon over to the other side. Let's go ahead and start cutting up our cabbage.
I'm not a lefty, but just want to show you how I do it. This thick, cut it up.
Yes, around this thickness should suffice for how you should cut your cabbage. We're gonna go ahead and let the bacon cook down just a little bit more. Just add more flavor.
More, maybe another minute.
Now let's go ahead and wash our cabbage or rinse it off nicely. And now let's add a little seasoning.
Just about that much, just enough.
Let's go ahead now and transfer the bacon over into the pot. And we're gonna also add a little oil from the initial frying of the bacon. All right, now that the cabbage has cooked down some, it's time to turn it over. We'll say at about 35 to 40 minutes or so. Let's go ahead now and add a little more seasoning. While that's cooking down, let's go ahead and work on our salmon.
Go ahead and add our seasoned salt.
Go ahead and add a little oil to the frying pan, along with just a little bit of margarine.
Just a little margarine, rather, to the pan. That's it.
Let's go ahead and start browning the salmon on both sides, starting with the side of the skin first. While we're waiting for the salmon to brown on that side, let's go ahead now and check on the cabbage. It's time to turn our cabbage for its final time. Now it is time to flip the salmon over to the other side.
Cook for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven.
Let's go ahead and prepare the Dutch oven to add the salmon. I added a little oil and some minced garlic.
Okay, now it's time to add.
Let's go ahead and add the salmon and baste it with a little oil. Go ahead and add a little minced garlic on the top of the salmon.
All right, just put her in the oven.
Now, we're going to wait for about maybe 25 to 30 minutes because I want it to cook within nicely. So I'll see you back on the other side and then we'll flip it to the other side. In the meanwhile, I checked on my cabbage. I see that it's nicely done. So we're going to go ahead, turn off the eye and set it to the side. I just checked on the salmon after flipping it over to the other side to cook for about another 35 minutes or so. And this is the final product. It came out nice and flaky as I had intended it to. Now it's time to make our chicken stuffing. We're going to bring 1½ cup of water and a 4th stick of margarine to a boil. Now that the margarine has melted, let's go ahead and add in our chicken stuffing mix. Go ahead and add your favorite seasoning and then mix it all in together. Chicken stuffing, and now we're going to go ahead and set it to the side so that it can cool off for about a good 5 to 10 minutes. There you have it. Our chicken stuffing, our flaky salmon, and cabbage. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe if you have been enjoying my recipes.